This little device has been a game changer for our pet. This was super simple to set up. It worked straight out of the box. I love that it helps us keep our pet safe, so our dog knows commands. However, when she's far away, she doesn't listen very well. This helps keep her back in track. I love that it has the options for the beep, the vibrate, as well as the shock, but honestly, the noise of just the beep alone keeps her in line and keeps her safe out of harm's way. I love how this came with the remote as well as 2 additional collars, so that while you're using one collar, you can then charge the other one. This is the thing you've been waiting for. Don't hesitate on this. Buy it now and you can thank me for it later.